How to set up your right CNC water pan table system. We're going to go ahead and insert the first water pan down. That's the water pan, and you'll see it only has one attaching side. We'll pull out the nuts and bolts that come with the pack, and then of course we'll get our caulking gun with a sealing adhesive, a silicone adhesive that adheres to the metal that allows it to bond and prevent any sort of leaks that occur, especially when there are upwards of 1,000 pounds of material on your table. That being said, put our gloves on, place the second water pan, and start to seal. Now we're going to be very, very generous with the sealant and just go at it. Cover every single one of the holes, make sure that you get a proper seal. And go ahead and do this on both sides. And once both sides are sealed, we're going to go ahead and press them up against each other and start inserting the bolts. And at this point we go ahead and tighten it down from the middle, working our way outwards to ensure a proper seal, and we're in this case using an impact gun to make sure everything is tight. Now we do provide you with a couple of extra nuts and bolts if you do find yourself either A, breaking one, or B, losing one in the process. And once your table is complete, you're good to go ahead and start inserting other water pans onto the table until, of course, all of your water pans are fully assembled. Once they're all assembled, we wait 24 hours to allow the sealant to cure, and then we fill it with water.